go check out the room. Hey guys, we got a full kitchen here. Got a full sink. We got a oven. I got a microwave, stove top, and nice full fridge, freezer, and refrigerator. Keep the beer cold. Nice closet, full-size closet here, guys. Nice full-size bed. How many bookworms we got out there? Raise your hands. All right, guys, there you go. A nice little place to read a book and a nice view of that beautiful Mekong River right there, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, very nice. The Peninsula Hotel. So far, so good. This is the main kitchen area here. Again, guys, you can sit there and have your meals. This is great for a person with a long stay, too. If you are coming with family, you're going to be here to visit family or something. It's a nice, spacious area to spread out. And full balcony here, too, guys. Check this out. Nice view of the peninsula here, the big roundabout, Mekong River. No patio furniture, unfortunately, but it's kind of hot outside, too. So let's go check out the master bedroom, guys, and see what's going on in there. And we got the lovely Linda.
Hello,
Hey.
welcome to Otta and Phnom Penh.
Hey.
Yay. Beautiful place. Happy to come here again.
As you guys can see, there's a nice view right outside the master bedroom, floor-to-ceiling windows, which is kind of cool. And this is the master bathroom here. We've got a tub. It looks like we got an overhead shower, rain shower, but there is no shower curtain. So, yeah, we'll go check out the extra bathroom here and see maybe there's a shower in there. Let's go check it out. Guys, let's check out the master bathroom here. Not a bad deal here. Look at this, guys. Full bathroom here. We got a sink, regular size shitter, and yeah, nice view. You can take a nice shower and relax. Big enough for two as overhead. Only one overhead though, but yeah, not a bad deal, guys. You can shower and see the outside. So let's go check out the swimming pool. Oh, it's hot. How beautiful this is, guys. Wow, look at that nice little hot tub. Got plenty of areas here to sit and relax with family. I imagine at nighttime it gets pretty popular out here. Beautiful little rooftop swimming pool here, guys. Look at this nice sitting area. We've got a great view of the Mekong in the distance there. Some great bar staff here. Hello, guys. Yeah, good stuff here. Let's go check out the infinity pool, guys. This looks pretty sleek over here. Again, we're at the Peninsula Hotel here. Look at this, guys. Wow, look at that beautiful pool. Wow. Let's go check out over here. See what they got here. We got, wow, they're doing some nice work. Make it look real nice. A kiddie area here for the children's. Wow, very nice. And of course, you can't beat the view, guys. Look at this view. Wow, amazing. Absolutely. Wonderful view here with a pool. Look at that. Beautiful. Floor 24. Let's go check out some more areas of the hotel. Okay, guys, we got ourselves a community room here on floor 22 with a beautiful view outside. Look at this, guys. Wow. Floor 22, this is on here. I've got, looks like several rooms here. Nice pool table. They've got some card games over here. Monopoly, let's see, Belgian billiards. Yeah, all kinds of great stuff here. Game room. They got some music for karaoke. Those of you that love the karaoke. Let's see, a nice seating area here. Oh, yeah, guys, look at this. Look at this, you got the big karaoke screen so you can bring all the friends and family and everybody can watch. They've got a nice Xbox, look at that, guys. Play some video games for the kids. Nice chill area and of course another great view. Let's go check out some more rooms here, guys. I think there's maybe a couple more here, it looks like, over around the corner. Let's go check it out. Another beautiful big room here. This is for like if you have family or friends, you want to hang out. They've got a full kitchen here, guys. You want to make a lot of food for your friends and family. Ice machine for the coffee, custom coffee machine there. They've got a nice microwave, an oven, another oven. They've got coolers down below and warmers, a nice grill top. Wow, guys, commercial setup here, not bad. And then, of course, a nice view to do all the cooking. What more could you ask for? double fridge there. Look at that, guys. Wow. Everything you need right there. Big old skillet grill top there, guys. Wow, let's go outside and check it out. And outside here, we've got some nice lounge area here. Wow, look at the beautiful Mekong River. Got a nice barbecue for the outside, guys. For those of you who want to do some barbecuing, maybe some fish you caught down in the riverside. Let's go check out the last room here. It looks pretty cool. This is like a little conference room for those of you that want to read a book here or just relax. They've got a nice telescope in the corner too for some stargazing. Yeah, not a bad deal here, guys. Do some photo work. All right, guys, let's go continue the tour here and see what's shaking around this hotel. Guys, over here is going to be the gym and workout area. Let's go around the corner here and see what they got. Looks, oh, they got a sauna. All right, let's check this out. All right, guys, Peninsula Hotel, this is what I would say. Management, listen to this. You guys get 5 stars. We love you guys. I'm American, wife's Kamar. We stay at a lot of Hiltons, a lot of Hyatts, and you guys are pretty good. For the rest of you guys that want to come visit Phnom Penh, the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. The good is location, all right? It's right across the big bridge there. It's like 2 minutes from literally across the bridge to the riverside, so you guys can stay away from all the crazy and have some peace and quiet. They've got a great pool on the roof, a great bar. They serve a lot of Western drinks, Long Island's, cocktails. They do a really good job. Really enjoy that. The other thing is they got a great rooftop pool. Although one thing I will say, the bad is there's no umbrellas. So during the afternoon, the sun can be very, very hot. Outside of that, if they added some umbrellas on a pool, that would be a great thing. For what it's worth, I would stay here again. We stayed here last time. We stayed here today. Or this time, and we'll stay again next time. This is our favorite place to go while we're here in Phnom Penh, and we think you guys would love coming here too. So definitely keep these guys in mind. We book our room here through agoda.com, and rooms start out between $40 to $50 a night, and they go up from there. But nothing's more than $100 if you want like a big suite or a big penthouse or something. But other than that, we got a junior suite. I think it ran about $69 for the night, so not a bad deal. So you guys are in Phnom Penh. This is a great hotel. At least check out and probably stay. We do see a lot of Westerners here from all over the West, Europe, America, and some Australians here as well. So like I said, the rooms are basically very big, they're like suites. They all have full kitchens, full everything. So great little place. It's kind of a mom and pop, but it's very upscale. So you guys will definitely like it. And we hope you guys enjoy your stay if you do. So until next time.